punches.
Damn. Ready?
Probably not. He looked like he about to do something. Nope. Dang it, give me back it up.
Finish him.
Hey, you know how to slow motion. Wow.
Where are you going?
My spot.
You lost to an untrained fighter. He's going to take your spot on the team.
Sensei, Ash Face has been loyal to the dojo.
I'm afraid he's not Cobra Kai material. I told you, only the strong will survive. Combat! Ready? Fight!